Hey y'all, Ivan and I came out to pull a hunt out here and I forgot my corn, so we ran down to the feeder to get some corn out of it. Lo and behold, the hogs were there and I didn't load up upon getting into the property. I loaded up in the truck. Ivan was running that camera. I didn't have the bolt down on the AR, so we didn't get them. But anyway, I have my brother's Remington 700 and 223. He kind of left it behind and I'm buying it off him, so I'm going to try about 200 yards shot. Actually, it's about 250 and make sure this thing's still accurate. That's 250 yards down there. Wow. Camera can't get it all the way in. That's a 1 gallon window washing jug. Wow, that took a minute. It really took me 3 shots. I'll probably only show the last one. Reason being, I'm back here on the end of the tailgate on a plastic container, but that's 250 yards. I aimed at the top of that jug, and after I stopped bobbing around and got my technique down, I managed to hit it. Plus we got good crosswinds. That rifle is still pinpoint and it hasn't been used well over a year. I love it. I put the 200 yard crosshair here, the 300 here, and she hit dead center in between for 250 yards.